Right, so the next job is this ginormous iPad. It's A1584. It's Pro 12.9. iPad Pro 12.9. It came for no power. It's dead. We checked it already. I thought I made a video of it, so I didn't make a video of it. So initial problem we realized that it had a problem with the Tristar failure. It was coming Tristar failure. So that is the Tristar region. Has been worked before. We're going to replace this Tristar and we're going to see if we can make it alive again. So stay with us and we're going to see that if we can fix it or not. When that charging IC is not there, Tristar is not there, so what do you get? Dock okay, and then you can tuck here. Warning, fail. So that's what the message you get when it's disconnected, with no IC, or it is faulty IC. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna replace it and I'm gonna see if it works. So I've got an IC, new IC 683 is there. I have not mounted yet, so the paste is there, IC is there, hot air, where are you? Hot air is here. So we're gonna see that if we can do it. Okay, looks good. Now we're gonna see if it can sit on. Right, airflow a little bit down. Okay. Oh yeah, we done it. On properly. So remove these protecting shields and sheets and everything. See underneath it. How does it look? I'm gonna clean it. Okay, so there we go. We've done that IC. Now we're gonna test it with the Tristar tester again. What does it say? Connected, exit. It was coming with a warning before, and now we have pass. Hey, so we done IC. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect LCD and everything, and then we're going to see that if its power's on or not. So IC has been placed on its place where it's supposed to be, 1610A3, and I'm going to see now. So stay with us. Thank you very much. Okay, so iPad Pro, we worked on the charging IC, came for no power, charging, showing charging sign. so that means that would be powering on soon, and it's charging here as well. It was not showing any sort of charging sign here before, so that's a charging sign for it. And I'm gonna leave it now, and we're gonna fully close it, and I'm gonna make one more video of it to check if it's all okay. So we have managed to fix that, and it's came on, it's charging. Please do apologize for the dirty screen at the moment. Okay, later, so just device has been fixed, so I thought I'd make a quick video about it. And then if you have any device like this, do contact us and we can fix it for you. It's charging 14-15% going up. Code on, we don't know the code, so we can't check the rest of the functions. So this is it. This device has been fixed. iPad Pro, no power, fixed. Thank you very much.